Hello and welcome to the OutSystems Frontend Tips YouTube channel. My name is Antonio Carvalho, I'm a front-end engineer, and I will be sharing with you some contents and videos about front-end techniques, best practices when implementing them on the OutSystems platform. Some time ago I started writing articles on Medium platform, the link is here, and the feedback was very good. Then some users started asking for videos of tutorials and how to implement the things that I advocate. So that is the reason why I created this YouTube channel. So who is this channel for? So this channel is dedicated to OutSystems developers that focus on the front-end side of their applications. Usually on a team there is one team member, two team members, or a team that's transversal and it's dedicated to front-end development. So this channel is for them. It's also for front-end developers that come from other technologies and now started using OutSystems. They come from React, from Angular, from Vue, for any other JavaScript framework, using techniques that are common in the front-end world and they don't know how to use them in the OutSystems platform. This is for them as well. And finally, this is for architects and tech leads that want to standardize how the front-end practice is established in their factory with hundreds of applications, hundreds of developers, and they want to normalize how things are done in a modern approach. So this is for you, all of you. So myself, I'm an example of the second item of this list. I've been a front-end engineer for many years, and one day an opportunity came to join a project using OutSystems as a front-end developer. And so my challenge was how to implement modern front-end techniques on that project using the OutSystems platform. And so some of the things, well, most of the things that are on this YouTube channel are the result of my approach on how to implement modern techniques on an ongoing project in OutSystems. I hope you like it.